here for. Right, I came here a couple of years ago and the Day of the Dead was going on. So decided to come back and do it again this year. But this is by far the biggest party of any of the resorts. Oh, the music and the people and the parades are excellent. Come to the Sandos Caracol Day of the Dead. You guys gotta come out here for 2026, November 1st and 2nd of next year.